I am Susan Sona from class 9 Marigold. Today I have here something presentation about flowchart and algorithm. So let's begin. So it is a flowchart of surface of a circle. Firstly we have to learn steps, and the first step is always start, and the last step is always in. And second step is we have to input R, and third step is area A equals to 22/7 into R square. It is a formula of circumference of a circle. Step 4 we have to display A and C. Step 5 is in. Now you can see the flowchart. Firstly we have to make an oval in which we have to write start, and secondly it's a parallelogram where we have to put input, and the third one is always a rectangle box in which we have to calculate the formulas or the given instruction. Step 4 it is a parallelogram, and it is used to display the result, and step 5 is in. And next one, algorithm flowchart of a simple interest. First step start, second step input PTR, and step 3 it is a formula of simple interest PTR by 100. And the fourth step display I, as because I is denoted as a simple interest. Step 5 in flowchart. It's same thing, oval, parallelogram, rectangle, parallelogram, oval. Firstly we have to input PTR. Third step I equals to PTR slash 100 means PTR by 100. Display the I. And the next one, algorithm flowchart of a perimeter of rectangle. Step 2, step 1 start. Step 2 input length as L and width as B. Step 3 A equals to L into B, which is the formula of rectangle. Perimeter equals to 2 bracket L plus B. Step 4 display the area and perimeter. And here the flowchart is first we have to make start, second input length and breadth. Step 3 A equals to L into B, and perimeter is 2 bracket L plus B. Fourth parallelogram display A and B. Now here is the flowchart in which we have to use diamond figure. All the flowchart of number is positive or negative numbers. Firstly, step 1 start, step 2 input n, and step 3 if n is greater than 0, n is less than 0. If yes, display positive. If no, then display negative. Step 4 in. Here is flowchart. It is a oval figure. It is a parallelogram figure. It is a diamond figure, parallelogram, and oval. In it, diamond figure we have to put the step 3, which is if n is smaller than O, and here we have to make two figures denoting that if it is correct or incorrect. If it is yes, then display the positive. If no, display the negative. Then we have to omit. Next, the ordinary flowchart of numbers between two. Greatest number between any two numbers. Step 1 start, step 2 input A and B. Step 3 if A is greater than B, yes, display greater, no, display smaller. If and the flowchart is input A and B. If A is greater than B, yes, display greater, no, display smaller. Then in. And the next one is whether the person is eligible to vote or not. It is in it, step 1 start, step 2 input age as A, step 3 input if A is equals to or greater than 18, yes, display cannot vote, no, then display cannot vote. Here is figure, yes, display vote, no, display do not vote. Here is now the algorithm flowchart of of the person is child or a teenager. Step 1, start. Step 2, input age as A, and step 3, input A equals to 13 or more, greater than 13. Yeah, yes, display teenager. If no, then display child. Here is flowchart. Input age as A, and if A equals to greater than smaller than 14, then yes, display teenager. If no, then display child. Thank you.